Welcome to the Pacific Mountain Regional Council General Meeting 2020, taking place using the platform Whova. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you get signed into Whova on your mobile device so you can access the event. This tutorial is using an Android device, but it is very similar once you've opened the Whova app in an iOS device as well, so an Apple device. So you want to go either following a link or just going to the App Store for your device to download Whova in the first place. And once Whova is downloaded and installed, you want to find the icon on your device to open up Whova, and it should look something like this, where you have up at the top, sign up or sign in. Now, if you've already gone through on the web and signed up for Whova, then you'll use that same information. If you haven't, when you click the sign up, sign in button, it's going to look the same either way, whether you've signed up or not. If you have already signed up, just enter either way, I suppose. Enter your email address and hit continue. If you haven't signed up, it'll ask you to confirm your email address and give you instructions that way. If you have already signed up, it will say welcome back, and then you can enter your password and you'll be in. It also gives you the option to sign in with LinkedIn or sign in with Facebook. And if you have registered for the general meeting with the same email address you use for one of those other social networks, you're most welcome to do that. If you use a different email address for Facebook, say, than you used to sign up, then it's a little more complicated. You can still do it, just you need to be in touch with one of us at the office and we'll make sure to walk you through it. So the simplest way is to sign up using the email address that you registered for the general meeting with. Now, I've registered with the same email address that I use for Facebook, and that's how I have signed up. So I'm going to click on the sign in with Facebook. And when I do that, it'll take me in. If you just have one event, it'll take you right to your event. If, for example, you're at Kootenay Faith Fest, it'll show your events that you've registered for. And so you can pick one of those. So I'm going to pick the general meeting. And then it takes me in to the main page for the general meeting. And from here along the bottom, it says Home, Agenda, Attendees, Community, and Messages. And then you've got some other additional resources available there as well. And up at the top, there's an image that you can see. And so other tutorials will take us through the different options that we have here on the from the home screen for the mobile event, including how to use the agenda and enter sessions. But as of now, you've gotten in, you've got the basics done, you can attend the event. That's step one. Way to go.